Let me mark your
Yes, yes.
attendance. Yeah. Right. Hu Heng Dong. Hu Heng Dong. Hu Heng Dong. Wait, I thought everybody is here. Hu Heng Dong absent. Lim Jie Min.
Yes, sir.
Han Xiang.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Wei Hong.
Yes.
Ong Ka Chen. Ong
Yes,
Kai
sir.
Sun.
Yes, sir.
Ong Mei Lin. Ong Mei Lin. Ong Mei Lin. Absent. Peng Xue Wen. Pang Xue Wen.
Yes, yes.
Hua Yi Hang. Yi Hang, are you there? So Yan Chang.
Yes, sir.
Tan Xing Shen.
Yes, sir.
Teo Leong Ho.
Yes, sir.
Teo Yi Si.
Yes, sir.
Wong Chung Yi.
Yes, sir.
Wong Ka Sheng.
Yes, sir.
Yong Wing Liang.
Yes, sir.
Yong Ziye.
Yes, sir.
Yep, okay. Right. Hu Heng Dong.
Yeah, sir. I'm here.
Okay, you're late, huh? Ong Meng Lin.
Yes, sir.
Also late. Hua Yi Hang. Hua Yi Hang. Okay. Right. Before we start the class, have you give me the time slot for replacement class? Course rep. Is
Yes,
it?
sir.
Which day is that?
So you prefer me to send me your my whole timetable or
No. The slot that you are available.
for Monday is 1 to 2.
Hang on. I record it down first. This is Friday group, right?
Okay. Yes, correct.
First group. Which day? Which day?
For Monday is 1 to 2. For Tuesday 12 to 2.
Monday 1 to 2. Tuesday 12 to 2.
Yes,
Okay.
correct. Then Wednesday from 8 a.m. until 12:30.
8 a.m.
Oh,
until
sorry.
12.
For Wednesday, 10 until 12:30.
10 until 12:30. Okay.
Then for Thursday, 8 until 12. Sorry. Yeah, 8 until 12.
8
But if
until 12.
sir want to make it, but sir, if you want to make it on during the odd week, so Thursday don't have any class because Thursday we only have the class for the even week.
Odd week is available lah.
Yes, available for whole day.
Oh, okay.
Then for Friday, 8 a.m. until 9 a.m.
8 a.m. until 9 a.m. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Who is talking?
Chie.
Jiye. Yong Jiye. Okay, wait. Jiye, you give me before Thursday 12 p.m. to 2 p.m. odd week. Is that you?
So sorry.
Earlier,
For the lecture class replacement, is it?
replacement class. Replacement class, and then you say every day is after 6 p.m. That is a lecture,
Yes,
is it?
correct.
Lecture, is it?
Yes, correct. Yes, correct.
Okay. All right. Okay. Thank you. How about who is this guy? Yi Hang, where is Yi Hang?
Sir, I'm here.
Yi Hang.
Just now,
Offered.
mic got problem.
Mike got problem or you come late, Yi Hang?
Mic got problem.
Mike got problem, So later
Yeah,
when
yeah.
I ask you to answer the question, make sure that your mic is okay,
Yeah.
Just joking, okay. All right. So, Can you remind me last question? What is the question that we have discussed about? What is the last question? That is determined by technology and not society,
Yes, correct.
right? Okay, so today I want you to discuss about question 7. Okay, let me highlight it first. Innovation use existing technological capabilities to drive development of society. Okay, that's mean innovation means they are using all the existing technology, they combine it together, and then it drive the development of society. And society technological revolutions equip society with new capabilities. Okay, discuss this statement. So again, I want you to write down your answer in the essay form. Later, I will call you one by one and read it up. Okay. And for your information, this answer, it seems other group are doing quite well. Actually, they say this question is easier to understand. So I'm not sure how about your group. Okay, I give you 15 minutes, 20 minutes from now. Okay, write down your essay. You can check with your friends, or you can what is say check any information from the Google, but you need to write your answer on your own. Okay, don't download and copy bulat from internet. Right, 20 minutes from now.
Sir. Sir.
Okay, class, we exit the time already. Are you ready for your answer? Are you ready to share your answer? Have you finished with your answer or not?
Yes, sir, but not sure whether it is correct.
Don't worry. You read it out and then we see whether it is correct or not, right?
Okay.
Okay. Make a mistake doesn't matter. Yeah, we are learning together. All right, let's listen from Hu Heng Dong.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Can you hear me?
Yes, can, very clear.
I agree with the technology revolution equip the society with new capabilities.
Mm-hmm.
One of the telecommunication is one of the example can show this statement clearly.
Mm-hmm.
As we are nowadays, telecommunication become more and more popular to the society, and also the telecommunication has met the limitations, and they have invented the new the 5G technology, which provide lower latency and higher transfer data speed. And at the same time, the full automatic car have facing the same problem if they're using our previous technology. They were unable to overcome some problems that
Okay.
because the high latency. And after the invention of the 5G, which provide the low latency, then this problem will be solved.
Mm-hmm.
And it shows that when the technology the new technology is come out, it may help other factory to overcome their problems. This is my point.
Okay, good.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, all right. Let's listen from Dreaming.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
In today's marketplace, it is very important to come up with unique products or service in order to beat off competition. So the innovation is needed so that the customers are willing to pay for the product or any service that come from at our company. We are now taking product innovation as example, like embracing the product innovation will help the company gain a competitive advantage over the business rivals. For example, the electronics company, which is LG, had produced a new type of screen that able to roll up like a newspaper to solve the problem of the portability.
To solve the problem of what?
Portability.
What do you mean by portability?
Which means like easier to carry.
Easier to carry, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Another way, for the technological revolution also bring impact on society production in order of the patterns and lifestyles. The use of IT allow people to use online shopping, remote medical services, video on demand, and so on. And also the traditional learning way, which is the physical learning, will also able to be changed by using the e-learning and distant education. This help people live in a more convenient way. That's all from my side.
Okay, not bad.
Okay.
Han Xiang?
Hello.
Hello.
Sir,
Yes,
can you hear me?
Can.
Innovation means recreate or modify the existing technology with new ideas or method.
Okay, this statement is important. Innovation is to modify the existing technology. Okay, so this statement make it clearly from invention. Okay, very good, Han Xiang.
Based on my opinion, innovation has a huge capability to drive the development of the society, because by performing innovation, we can make use of the old technology or products and turn it into a better product in terms of efficiency and quality and etc. The recent development of IoT technology is one of the strong force that provokes the innovation in all sectors such as industrial, agriculture, residential, commercial, and etc. Traditionally, the way of people to turn on and off the light is by pressing the switch physically. However, through innovation, a smart light bulb is invented, which is simply by adding a Wi-Fi module to the light bulb, we are able to turn the light bulb into a smart light bulb which can be controlled by phone. Hence, it is proven that innovation has provided the society a new capability of carry out daily tasks. That's all for me.
Okay, when you talk about IoT, it is better for you to put this phrase, for example, okay, or one of the example is IoT. Because if without putting this, it look like your answer is only true for IoT only. Other than IoT, it is not applicable.
Okay,
You get what I
see.
mean?
Yeah.
Right. Okay, good. Wei Hong? Wei Hong?
Yes.
Yep, come.
In my opinion, I agree that innovation use existing technological capabilities to drive the development of society. For example, the IoT, Internet of Things, connect the Wi-Fi network with the electronic appliances. So one of the application for IoT is smart home automation. Smart home automation get use of the Wi-Fi network to connect the door, motorized curtain, sensor, like auto gate with a smartphone. People can easily open doors, electronic appliances by smartphone. Besides, I also agree that technology renovation equip society with new capability. So one of the example is the internet. So nowadays, the internet is very important in our daily life. With the pandemic of COVID-19, students are requested to study at home, and the internet allows students to self-learning at their home. So this technology revolution prove that this example prove that the technology revolution equip 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 society with new capability.
Very good. Anything else?
That's all for me.
All right. Kai Chen?
Yeah, here.
Yes, come, Kai Chen.
With me for a while, yeah. I open my phone.
Okay.
Yeah. In my opinion, innovation had a huge impact to the society as it helps the human being to improve their life, and with new capabilities. It also, as it enables problem solving and provide creative insight that allow everyone to look at the thing from different aspects, no matter it is developing a new product or had its own original way to stay ahead of the competition. For example, is phone. 100 years ago, people communicate uh, by using a pigeon or riding a horse by sending the mail to the people which are staying far away. As the handphone being innovated, people could use it to communicate by video call or phone calls uh, with the people which are stay far from us. Yeah, that's all.
Okay. But when you're talking about using pigeon and horses, and then suddenly you jump to the handphone, it will be better if in between you can talking about the line phone.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So the contrast won't be so big. Okay, good.
Okay.
Maylin?
Hello, sir. Can you
Hello.
hear me?
Yeah. Yes, can.
So I agree with the statement of innovation using existing technological capability to drive development of society. Innovation is the process of making and new things using existing product. We've developed new idea or invention into a good or service that create value for which customer will pay. Then beside it also lead to newer way of production in a society, and this ultimately influence the culture and economy aspect of a society, thereby inevitably changing society itself. For example, WhatsApp uh, it established the personal communication market. It is one of best example of being innovative with consumer day-to-day activities. That's all from me.
All right. Okay. Good. Pang Xuewen.
Yes, hello, sir.
Yes, can hear you
Uh,
clear.
I agree with the statement that the innovation can drive the development of the society to a more advanced society using the current existing technology. For example, the innovation of smartphone has allowed us to perform various tasks easily, such as long-distance communication, photo or video capturing, and so on. This also shows that innovation has equipped us with so much more capabilities. Besides that, an academic institute with a 3D printer can easily create plastic in their desired shape or form, which is something not easily achieved in the past. This innovation utilizes the current technology to solve common problems while saving work for the development of the society. That's it for me.
Okay, but how about the second part? The revolution of industry can causing bring the society to a new capabilities. What do you think about that part?
Yeah, I also agree with that. I think I did not explain very well that how to say the innovation have equipped the society with much more capabilities.
Yeah, in what way? And do you have any example to show that?
Uh, just like the smartphone can allow us to perform much more tasks compared
Mhm.
to the phones in the previous previous like the line phone.
Okay, but in the exam, you need to be careful now. If you are talking about smartphone, it's almost the same point as your. Kwa Yi Hang.
Yes, sir.
Yes, come.
Uh, I agree with the innovation use existing technological capabilities to drive the development of society.
Yeah,
Uh,
continue.
because without the innovation in the
What happened, Yi
of
Hang?
no, wait. With the innovation in the workplace, the business can establishment can record any significant growth. Uh, uh, in the
What is the problem that you face, Yi Hang? Are you facing any problem?
uh,
Are
I
you
don't know,
facing any problem? Hmm?
is that the workplace include in the society?
Oh yes, society include everything.
Or the innovation in business can be achieved in business when the management promote the healthy relationship with the worker. The management should ensure that the workforce always feel at home while discharge their duty. For the example that organization achieve the innovation is their business is Google. The Google is one of the most prominent computing innovation example, offering a much better online experience for customers, and also include as one of the biggest breakthrough innovation example from its introduction of a word which changed the advertising world.
Change the advertising world. So
world
so what happened after that? Can you repeat your last sentence, Yang?
The last sentence include as one of the biggest breakthrough innovation example from its introduction of a word which changed the advertising world.
So what are you trying to say?
But this I Google search one or I'm not sure, and I
You
don't
Google search,
understand
you must be make sure that you understand that only you can write your own point. If you Google search something that you cannot understand, then how do you write using your own point? Yeah. So next time when you Google search, make sure that the information that you get from internet or whatever are the informations that you understand. You get me?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Now, you need to further improve, Yihang. Okay. Let's listen from Yan Chan.
Yes, sir.
Yep. Come.
Yes, innovations use existing technological capabilities to drive development of society. Innovations means coming out with something new, a big idea. Innovations often starts with some things that annoy society work life. For an example, the innovations of society include technological inventions such as wind turbines, photovoltaic cells, concentrated solar power, geothermal energy, ocean wave power, and many others emerging innovations. All these technological inventions generate electrical power that helps to overcome the increasing power consumed by society years by years, as well as reduce the usage of non-renewable energy, which will use out in futures. Technological revolutions equip society with new capabilities. It's true as every major technological revolution had a profound impact on mankind, productions, pattern, and lifestyles. A technological revolution is a period in which one or more technologies is replaced by another. For an example, the use of IT enables people to break their past reliance on conventional means of transportation and communication and expands their scope of development and contracts. The revolutions of Industrial 5.0 is a good example for technological revolution as the production's work is replaced by machines. That's all.
Okay. So how does it change the society capability? Your 5G, how does it change the society capability?
It changed how the workers work in the company.
Okay, he increased the efficiency, and then how does worker work, isn't it?
Yeah.
So instead of just stop as what you are saying, it is better that you use back the wording from the question, okay? So that he enhance or change the capability of the society. You get me?
Okay. Yeah.
Right. Okay, Yan Chang.
Yeah, it's me.
Right, you are Yan Chang.
Yes.
Okay, I missed out. Okay, Xin Shen.
Yes, sir.
Yes, come.
From the statement, innovations makes use of the existing technology to further develop the society, namely in better quality of life or the conservation of the environment and resources. This can be seen by taking example of well-known public figures such as Elon Musk, whose innovation has brought onwards the invention of electric cars, better known as Tesla. This
Okay.
Tesla does not emit any harmful greenhouse gases. And furthermore, this invention of Tesla utilizes technology from previous inventions and knowledge.
Mm.
Thus, this invention has caused society to drive more cars, as previously they were only using by walking.
Okay.
Okay. Next is the statement: technological revolutions equip society with new capabilities can be seen with the inventions of piston-powered engines. Previously, cars and trains were equipped with steam-powered engines, which require the use of coal as the fuel source. Nowadays, the invention of piston-powered engine causes steam engine to be obsolete. Piston-powered engines are able to generate more force and is less likely to break down. As such, technological revolutions equip society with new capabilities is proven.
Okay. Good.
That's all.
Yeah. Good. Your last word is proven. That there is another way that to use it to make your justification stronger. Okay. Teo Leong Ho.
Sir.
Leong Ho. Yeah. Good afternoon.
Afternoon. I'm agree with the statement above. Innovation, including creative. People can do changes with the existing product and modify it, then come out with the better solution to the potential product. Example like walking stick. With a normal walking stick, we can further implement it by including fuel sensor, GPS module, and other electronic application into it to prevent user from lost, falling down by kicking stone and other features. While technological revolution is the period in which one or more technology is replaced by another. For example, 5G revolution brings us the better wireless communication with higher connection density and allowing network to handle immense number of connected devices. Hence, it will change many current form to easier and faster way to perform it. That's all for mine.
Okay. Easy. Teo Easy.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, come, Easy.
The major impact for technology on society is education or learning, which makes learning more
Sorry,
interesting.
again, your first sentence again.
The major impact for technology on society is education or learning, which makes learning more interesting and collaborative. It makes people to communicate with the content they read and have difficulty with. With the intention of internet, it gives us access to knowledge at 24 hours pace and have access almost everything online.
Sorry, Easy, the way you answer, it looks like you are not answering the question. No? You are talking about the impact of technology on education and society.
But I haven't.
Right? Your first sentence, you say that the impact on the education, isn't it?
Yeah, but my example at below.
Because the impact is not only to education alone. If you want to use the education, you need to say, for example, it's not
Yeah,
at
but
later stage.
example is my example is at behind. I
Okay,
haven't
okay,
finished yet.
okay.
So it make student to get work finished by using Google Classroom. Teacher also can conduct online classes through Google Meets, and it advances the boundary of the classroom, promoting self-paced instructions. People can access learning through YouTube, social media, or Google search engine. This makes students learn more than lying down for lesson and reading textbook. This technical advance has made schooling more interesting and easier. Besides, it also affects through communication, how we speak and interact with each other in the global. Like smartphones, it allows us to emails, social networking like WhatsApp, WeChat to voice call or video call, which face a guys who live on the other side of the planet. Um, There are also innovating phone apps that will list people watch their weights, how many calories they consume, heart, heart rate, and others health properties at any time of the day. It improves the access to the service available. Um, it, it let hospital incorporating new equipment in their operating room or surgery room. That's all.
Okay, you need to be careful when you discuss. It still appears to me that you are not really answering the question on that. Okay, so you're talking about the medical equipment or whatever. I didn't hear you use the word for example. Did you use?
Uh, I didn't use, but I have.
Uh,
But
if
I
you did,
just, I
if you
just short
didn't
me.
use, if you didn't use, that means your statement is only true for the medical equipment. Okay, so other than the medical equipment, it is not true. So, but your answer actually is much more than that, isn't it?
Yeah, I just take the important points.
Yes. Whenever you take any example, it is very important for you to mention, for instance, or for example. Okay, so that people knows that oh, your answer actually is more than that. This one is only an example that you quote. You get
Yeah.
me? Right?
Okay.
Okay. Chong
Thank
Yi?
you.
Yes, sir.
Yep.
Can you hear
Come.
me?
Yeah, can.
All right. So I agree both the statement that for the innovations that to drive the development of societies,
Mm-hmm.
as the revolution of internet has equipped the society to share and exchange the informations across the world. And with the access of internet, people around the world could acquire the knowledge, experience, even their societal needs.
Mm-hmm.
And with the existing of internet, it could help inspire and achieve the numerous innovations around the world. Internet have cultivated various platforms to channel the endless possibility across the globe. For instance, like the social media like Facebook help inspire people to live better by exposing the wearable experience and knowledge. Well, the internet also help uh, develop, develop, um, develop technologies like the Internet of Things (IoT) to further implement this idea of the smart cities, smart homes to better serve the human societal needs. So I think that the internet is a very great technology revolutions that help gather the innovations around the world from different backgrounds, states to empower the futures of the human.
Okay.
Yeah.
It will be good if you say that you think that internet is one of the technology that of something. Okay.
Technology of something.
Your last sentence, you can you repeat?
Internet is a great great
Internet
technology.
is one of the great technologies.
Okay.
Yeah, it will be better if you say internet is a great technology. That means again, people may think that you are only talking about internet.
I see.
Okay, you will say if it is one of the greatest technology revolutions, that means there is still other technology that available, but you may not have time to discuss. Do you get it, Chongi? Yeah, right. Okay, Kashin,
Hi, sir.
a bit soft, Kashin.
Hello.
Come.
Yes, I agree the statement in the question. Innovation means to improve or to replace something. For example, a process, a product, or a service. Such as the smartphone that we are usually used to communicate in our daily life is one of the greatest innovation in society.
Mm-hmm.
Before the smartphone is developed, people only can use the handphone such as Nokia 3310 to send message and call people only. However, nowadays, people is able to apply their innovation to improve and enhance the normal handphone and invent the smartphone that is able to browse the internet,
send documents as well as make a call and send message.
Mm.
For example, students can use their smartphone to find the latest information using the Google. The space knowledge of the student can be improved from the information they found online by using their phone.
Mm.
As a businessman, they can use their phone to have a meeting anytime, anywhere. This
Alright.
will reduce their time to go somewhere to have a face-to-face meeting and hence increase the productivity in the day by using their phone in a video call. Their innovation to invent a smartphone has driven the society with a new capability to improve the productivity in their tasks and work. That's all.
Okay, good. Wing Liang? Wing Liang?
Hi, sir, can you hear me?
Yes, can.
An example of technological revolution is the ongoing Industrial Revolution 4.0, which is known as IR 4.0, which emphasizes on automation, IoT, and machine-to-machine communication. To cite an instance of the technological revolutions makes the society equipped with new capability is that society are moving towards digital trend. The society will equip themselves with ability to using cutting-edge technology such as sophisticated software such as AutoCAD to predict, adjust, and control business result to desire or optimum point. The society will also more likely to equip themselves with programming skill, engineering knowledge, mathematics, and science knowledge due to the increasing demand of the STEM field due to uprising of IR 4.0.
Okay, how about the first part? Innovation is using the existing technology to improve the society. You straight away go into the second part of the statement, isn't it?
Oh.
So the first part you didn't discuss. If in the exam, then your first part marks gone, or if let's say 10 marks, you may your second part answer is very good. Let's say you get a full marks, but it's still 5 marks only. Right? Your first part you didn't discuss about it. So please be very careful during exam.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yeah, Jie?
Hi, sir.
Yep, come.
Okay. So when I get this from this statement is that innovation means some new method or concept of a particle system or props or even things that can use by human is being discovered, and the innovations is being implemented in the existing technology to drive the progress of a society. Then with these applications of innovations on technology, people acquire new skill techniques that are useful to be utilized in many sectors and indirectly drive and build the society. For example, in the olden days, humans used hoe and others prop in agriculture and in farming those vegetable, fruit, and many more editable things. Usually, it's require a lot of time in planting all the vegetable by digging the hole one by one, thereby require more manpower to loosen and dig the soil. Then human realized that with the help of an animal like cows or donkey to help the losing the soil with the props that look like the hole and with few sharp head, then the animal will keep going forward by dragging the hole behind. So this can be considered one of the technology capabilities on that time to drive society. But some problems confronted like animal will be tired too. So from time to time, technology is under a revolution with the innovation which are being discovered. Therefore, currently machines are being invented to replace usage of animal and livestock in agriculture sector. So this is considered one of the technology revolution which is equipped in society, so that the agriculture will have the capability in supplying and producing more quantity and sustain in the society.
Okay, good. All right. So class, generally today your answer is quite good as compared to previous tutorial, right? So keep it up, keep up the good work. Okay, any question before we end the class? Any question about your assignment?
No, sir.
No, okay. Okay, if no class, no class block. If no question, then we end the class here, yeah? Thank you, class.
Okay, bye-bye.
Right, thank you, sir.
Thank you.